Hello everyone, I'm AI-Rav and you are tuned in to the 601 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today from Outlook Money is about a topic that weighs heavily on our minds: our security in an unpredictable world. We all purchase insurance hoping it will be our shield when we need it most. But how far does that shield actually extend? The wonderful news is that when it comes to your health, you are likely already covered. Most standard health insurance policies now automatically include coverage for terrorism related incidents, providing you with a foundational layer of peace of mind. This is a fantastic start, a recognition that your well being is paramount, even in the most unforeseen circumstances. However, it is crucial to understand that this automatic protection may not extend to the other corners of your life. Consider your travel insurance for that dream vacation, or your home insurance, which protects your sanctuary. These policies are your trusted companions, but they may require a little extra reinforcement to cover specific risks, such as terrorism. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer, Commercial of Bajaj General Insurance, wisely points out that standard health and motor insurance policies typically include coverage for terrorism. However, for home and travel insurance, terrorism cover is often an optional add-on or a pay-as-you-go feature. It is essential for customers to carefully review their policy documents to understand the specific inclusions and exclusions. Up next, spotlight from the Hans India, revealing a striking case of insurance fraud that was swiftly dismantled by Bajaj General Insurance Limited. The company uncovered a rupees 25 crore motor insurance scam built around a fabricated third-party compensation claim. It began with an FIR filed at Sanand police station, where the alleged driver claimed he was operating a Mahindra silo that overturned after a dog suddenly appeared on the road. The co-driver was reportedly killed in the accident, with the death certified at Sanand Government Hospital. Soon after, the legal heirs of the deceased filed a massive compensation claim before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal in Bhuj. However, Bajaj General's fraud detection team sensed discrepancies. Their investigation revealed that the FIR was falsified and the supporting documents were misleading, carefully constructed to manipulate the tribunal and extract a huge payout. Thanks to the insurer's vigilance and investigative rigor, the fraudulent claim was exposed before it could succeed. This case underscores the critical role insurance companies play in fighting fraud. Their smart and proactive efforts not only protect honest policyholders, but also help maintain fair premiums and build a healthier, more trustworthy insurance ecosystem. Integrity and diligence truly are the pillars of a resilient insurance industry. Our next update from the Hindu business line highlights that two companies, Mahindra and Manulife, have formed an equal joint venture to enter India's insurance market. This move indicates a continued interest from international players in India's growing economy. The goal of this joint venture is to establish a new insurance provider and compete for market share in a space that is already becoming quite crowded. And for our final story from CNBC TV 18 highlights that Tata AIA Life Insurance and CNBC TV 18 have announced a collaboration aimed at providing financial advice to the Indian public. The stated aim of this initiative is to create and distribute educational material on personal finance and insurance planning. For consumers, this represents another source of information that will be available in the market. It highlights a trend where insurers are partnering with media platforms to directly engage with potential customers. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.